Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel and a new kitchen get it all done with me. We are going to be doing lots of deep cleaning in today's video, little bit of organization and decluttering, and we are keeping it all here in the kitchen today. The first area that I am hitting up is the stove. So the sides of the stove were just really sticky, and I was just using my thieves cleaner to go ahead and get that scrubbed and cleaned. And then I'm gonna tackle the mess behind my stove, and you will notice, I apologize in advance, it's pretty gnarly. This video is very disgustingly satisfying. Stay tuned for lots of before and after transformations, as well as just dealing with some mice. Let's go ahead and jump right in and get to cleaning together. As you can see, we have a mouse issue. We've had one for quite some time now, and I think now that this video is actually filmed, it's been filmed for quite some time, but I think we have actually now finally gotten rid of them. I mean, look how disgusting this is. That is dirt, dog hair, dust, mouse poop, like all the things. It's pretty bad. So you can see I am using chemicals today. I'm using my Lysol cleaner to really help clean and disinfect. I also sometimes will use bleach on the mouse poop as well, as you can actually get a virus that is untreatable from mouse poop. So if you are dealing with mouse poop, you really want to make sure never to vacuum it up. I truly wish you could, because it would be so much easier, but you cannot do that. So just make sure you know that if you again are dealing with mouse poop. If you have ever dealt with mice issues in your home, let me know down below by sharing a mouse emoji. So this is part one of my part two kitchen get it all done with me series. We are going to be tackling the mess inside of the appliances in a future video, as they really needed to be done as well. So today we're kind of tackling a little bit inside of the cabinets, cleaning, decluttering, and organizing them, as well as just the countertops and some of these small appliances on the countertops, because during this video my husband and I were also tackling our basement. It was so bad. I will get into that story a little bit later in the video, so stay tuned for that. I definitely forgot to take a before photo, but this is the after of our Tupperware drawer, and it looks so much better. I also totally forgot that I had these little plates. We found these when we were downstairs decluttering. And so a little bit of a backstory is, while I was filming this video, I was also filming my next video, so stay tuned for that. It is my party prep, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys. But we were also decluttering our entire basement, and so far when I'm filming this voiceover, we have gotten rid of 11 garbage bags full of stuff. And while we were kind of doing that, I wanted to go through the kitchen as well. You can see I emptied 2 shelves there, which is great because I did find some kitchen stuff downstairs, but the whole basement is torn apart currently, but it has all been gone through, and so we now just need to get it put back together. So we are in the process of that right now. And so while I was kind of, doing all of this, I went under my sink and noticed that a mouse had been down here as well. So long story short, we have been dealing with a huge mice issue. We ended up finding 5 mouse nests as well, which I know is absolutely disgusting, but I'm so happy that we have finally found them all and gotten rid of them all, and now we can take the necessary steps to keep them away come the fall. The next project we are tackling here in the kitchen is my big utensil drawer. I have these little baskets just from the dollar store. They do the job right now. Eventually I might get some bamboo ones when we do buy a house, but for now these work great. And so I'm just taking everything out, vacuuming it and wiping it down really quickly, and then we're going to again declutter and just get rid of a bunch of the stuff, and then I'm going to reorganize them back into the baskets.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up. Style. It ain't my style. You see right through me. I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go. I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You don't wanna stop. I'm like a spinning top.
So I wanted to go ahead and end today's video with a Canadian grocery haul. Here is a little overview of everything I got. As you can see, we got tons of fresh fruits and veggies. Let me know down below what you think all of this costs. So I'm gonna start off with the meat and just get this out of the way. This is our favorite bacon. It is the President's Choice old-fashioned style bacon. And all of this is from the Superstore if you are wondering. But this is a thick cut bacon, and it was actually on sale for $14.99, which is freaking insane as it is, but I usually pay $16.99, so I thought I would stock up and grab 2 of those. I got some more of this turkey breast. I like putting this in my wraps. If you have seen any of my videos, I've shared that wrap recipe a ton. I got some pepperoni for pizza nights. I actually divide this up and then freeze it in individual packages, so that I can just literally grab it and do 1 pizza at a time, and it stays so fresh still in the freezer, and then you thaw it when you're ready to use it. This was also on sale, so you'll notice I buy a lot on sale to help save money. Then I got 2 things of extra lean ground beef for, this one's $15.83, the one underneath is $15.84, and I will package these individually as well into like 3 different sections. Same with the bottom, or I might make some burgers with those. So now that we got the meat out of the way, I also got some eggs. We were almost all out and they were also on sale. I stocked up on our favorite creamer. You guys, I've talked about this 100 times, but it is really, really good. I got a couple of these for the girls' snacks. They love these, and they were also on sale. This is not what I bought. I need to go through all of that, so it's a disaster, but bear with me. And then we're gonna try these out. These were new and on sale, surprise, surprise. And so I got these as a healthier alternative for snacks for the girls. I don't know, they sound really good. We'll see what happens. I got a box of chocolates for spending so much money. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. We won't eat it. My husband loves this instant oatmeal for when he's working night shifts, so I got him some of that. I needed some more mayo for when I make my Greek dip recipe. Summer is almost upon us, which is really exciting, so I make a lot of it, so I got that. We were also running low on spices, so I ended up grabbing some basil, oregano, and Italian. Make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram. I'll be sharing an ASMR reel restock of a lot of this stuff, actually. Smart Sweets on sale / impulse buy of the day. We needed some more chocolate chips as I just used them all in our last protein balls. Y'all know we love the Dave's Killer Bread. Got some of this, and I will freeze it because it's like really good in the freezer. And then for the fruit and veggies, we got sweet potatoes and squash. I like to actually mix the two together and season it with Greek seasoning. Bake it in the oven. It's really, really good. It's a great side dish. Some organic onions, organic bananas for our smoothies. I got some nectarines. They just looked really good and the girls really like them. They're not organic, but that's okay. I do organic when I can. We eat a lot of peppers in this house, so I got 4 organic peppers, organic cucumbers. I also put these in our wraps too. Some organic carrots, some lettuce. They didn't have organic, some spinach for our smoothies. Then I got some cauliflower, some pineapple, some organic green beans. I've shared this President's Choice bruschetta a few times, but it's really good. I like to add it to my eggs. I like to eat it on pasta, like tacos, literally everything. I got some organic tomatoes, same thing for my Greek dip recipe. And then some blueberries and some strawberries. And that is the grocery haul. The total cost for this was $276.29. Which is insane. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it super motivating. If you like get it all done / like tackle your mess, clean, organize, and decluttering videos, make sure that you check out my playlist or my cleaning motivation playlist. It is sure to get you inspired and motivated to tackle your own mess with me. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in my next video. Bye.
Just keep on doing what you do.